Welcome to our exploration of generative AI, a transformative technology that's rapidly reshaping industries and our daily lives. In this video, we'll break down what generative AI is, how it works, and why it's become such a hot topic. From creating realistic images and text to powering new forms of creativity and problem-solving, generative AI is at the forefront of the artificial intelligence revolution. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future, understanding generative AI is essential. Let's dive in and discover what makes this technology so significant in today's world. Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems designed to create new content, such as images, text, music, or even code. Unlike traditional AI, which typically analyzes data or makes predictions, generative models can produce original outputs that mimic human creativity. These systems learn patterns from vast datasets and use that knowledge to generate something entirely new. This capability opens up endless possibilities, from art and entertainment to scientific research and business applications. Understanding this distinction is key to appreciating the impact of generative AI. At the heart of generative AI are advanced machine learning models, such as generative adversarial networks, GANs, and large language models. These models are trained on massive datasets, learning the underlying structures and relationships within the data. For example, a generative AI trained on thousands of paintings can create new artwork in a similar style. The process involves both learning from examples and using that knowledge to invent new content. This blend of learning and creativity is what sets generative AI apart from other forms of artificial intelligence. There are several types of generative AI models, each with unique strengths. Generative adversarial networks, or GANs, are known for producing highly realistic images and videos. Variational autoencoders, or VAEs, excel at generating new data points similar to their training data. Large language models, like GPT, are designed to generate human-like text. Each model type uses different techniques to learn from data and create new outputs, making generative AI a diverse and rapidly evolving field. GANs are a groundbreaking type of generative AI model. They work by pitting two neural networks against each other, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates new data, while the discriminator evaluates its authenticity. Through this competition, GANs learn to produce outputs that are increasingly realistic. This technology has been used to create lifelike images, deepfake videos, and even new designs in fashion and architecture. GANs demonstrate the creative potential of generative AI in a variety of fields. Large language models, such as GPT, have revolutionized the way machines understand and generate human language. These models are trained on vast amounts of text data, enabling them to write essays, answer questions, and even hold conversations that feel natural. Their ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text has made them invaluable in fields like customer service, content creation, and education. The versatility of large language models showcases the broad impact of generative AI. Generative AI is making waves in the world of art and design. Artists and designers use these tools to create unique visuals, generate new ideas, and even collaborate with AI to push creative boundaries. From digital paintings to fashion design, generative AI offers a new palette for creative expression. The technology can suggest color schemes, generate patterns, and even produce entire artworks, enabling artists to experiment in ways that were previously impossible. In music and audio, generative AI is opening up new possibilities for composers and producers. AI models can generate original melodies, harmonies, and even entire songs in various styles. Musicians use these tools to find inspiration, experiment with new sounds, and speed up the creative process. Generative AI can also help with audio restoration, sound design, and creating personalized playlists, making it a valuable asset in the music industry. Generative AI is transforming content creation by enabling writers, marketers, and businesses to produce high-quality text quickly and efficiently. AI-powered tools can draft articles, generate marketing copy, and even write poetry or stories. These systems help streamline the writing process, offer suggestions, and ensure consistency across large volumes of content. As a result, generative AI is becoming an indispensable tool for anyone involved in producing written material. Generative AI is also making significant contributions to scientific research. Researchers use AI models to generate hypotheses, simulate experiments, and analyze complex data. For example, in drug discovery, generative AI can design new molecules with desired properties, accelerating the development of new medicines. This ability to generate and test ideas rapidly is helping scientists solve problems faster and more efficiently than ever before. Businesses are leveraging generative AI to enhance marketing strategies, personalize customer experiences, and optimize operations. AI-generated content can be tailored to individual preferences, making marketing campaigns more effective. In addition, generative AI helps automate routine tasks, generate product descriptions, and even create promotional materials. These applications are helping companies stay competitive in a rapidly changing marketplace. Generative AI is playing a growing role in healthcare and medicine. AI models can generate synthetic medical images for training, assist in diagnosing diseases, and even help design new drugs. By analyzing vast amounts of medical data, generative AI can identify patterns and suggest treatment options, supporting doctors and researchers in delivering better patient care. The technology is also used to create personalized health plans and simulate medical scenarios for education. In education, generative AI is being used to create personalized learning materials, generate quizzes, and even tutor students. AI-powered platforms can adapt content to individual learning styles, making education more engaging and effective. Teachers use generative AI to save time on lesson planning and to provide students with instant feedback. This technology is helping to make learning more accessible and tailored to each student's needs. Generative AI is revolutionizing the gaming and entertainment industries. Game developers use AI to create realistic characters, generate new levels, and design immersive worlds. In movies and animation, generative AI can produce special effects, generate scripts, and even create digital actors. These advancements are making entertainment more interactive, engaging, and visually stunning, opening up new possibilities for creators and audiences alike. One of the most practical uses of generative AI is in personalization and recommendations. Streaming services, online retailers, and social media platforms use AI to generate personalized content and suggest products or media tailored to each user. By analyzing user preferences and behaviors, generative AI helps deliver a more relevant and enjoyable experience, increasing engagement and satisfaction. Generative AI is invaluable for creating synthetic data, which is used to train and test machine learning models. Synthetic data mimics real-world data without exposing sensitive information, making it ideal for industries like finance and healthcare. By generating realistic datasets, AI helps improve model accuracy, supports privacy, and enables innovation in data-driven fields. Generative AI acts as a powerful tool for enhancing human creativity. By suggesting new ideas, generating drafts, or providing inspiration, AI helps artists, writers, and designers break through creative blocks. The collaboration between humans and AI is leading to innovative works that blend technology and imagination, expanding the boundaries of what's possible in creative fields. In the workplace, generative AI is boosting productivity by automating repetitive tasks, generating reports, and assisting with decision-making. Employees can focus on higher-level work while AI handles routine processes. This shift not only saves time, but also improves efficiency and job satisfaction, as workers are empowered to tackle more meaningful challenges. Despite its many benefits, generative AI faces challenges, including the risk of bias. AI models can inadvertently learn and reproduce biases present in their training data, leading to unfair or inaccurate outputs. Addressing bias requires careful dataset selection, ongoing monitoring, and transparent development practices to ensure that generative AI serves everyone fairly. ethics play a crucial role in the development and deployment of generative AI. Issues such as deepfakes, misinformation, and privacy concerns highlight the need for responsible use. Developers and organizations must establish guidelines and safeguards to prevent misuse and protect individuals' rights. Ethical AI ensures that technology benefits society as a whole. Generative AI introduces new security and privacy risks. For example, AI-generated content can be used for phishing, fraud, or spreading false information. Protecting against these threats requires robust security measures, user education, and ongoing vigilance. As generative AI becomes more widespread, addressing these risks is essential to maintaining trust and safety. As generative AI creates new content, questions arise about intellectual property rights. Who owns AI-generated works? How should creators be credited or compensated? These issues are still being debated by legal experts and policymakers. Establishing clear guidelines will be crucial as generative AI continues to evolve and produce more original content. Generative AI is changing the job landscape. While it automates some tasks, it also creates new opportunities in AI development, data analysis, and creative industries. Workers will need to adapt by learning new skills and embracing lifelong learning. The key is to harness AI as a tool for empowerment, not replacement, ensuring that technology and people work together for mutual benefit. The most exciting potential of generative AI lies in collaboration with humans. By combining human intuition and creativity with AI's analytical power, we can solve complex problems and create groundbreaking innovations. This partnership is already visible in fields like medicine, design, and engineering, where AI augments human abilities and opens new frontiers. Generative AI is democratizing creativity by making powerful tools accessible to everyone. You no longer need to be a professional artist or writer to create impressive works. AI-powered platforms allow anyone to generate art, music, or stories with just a few clicks, lowering barriers and fostering a more inclusive creative community. Generative AI accelerates innovation by enabling rapid prototyping, testing, and iteration. In industries like manufacturing and engineering, AI can generate design alternatives, simulate outcomes, and optimize solutions. This speed and flexibility help companies bring new products to market faster and respond to changing demands more effectively. Generative AI is becoming part of our everyday lives, often in ways we might not notice. From personalized news feeds to smart assistants that generate reminders or messages, AI is quietly making daily tasks easier and more efficient. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect even more seamless integration into our routines. Data is the fuel that powers generative AI. High-quality, diverse datasets are essential for training models that produce accurate and creative outputs. However, collecting and curating data comes with challenges, including privacy concerns and the risk of bias. Ensuring responsible data practices is key to building trustworthy AI systems. The open-source movement is driving rapid progress in generative AI. Developers and researchers share code, models, and datasets, enabling collaboration and accelerating innovation. Open-source platforms make it easier for anyone to experiment with generative AI, fostering a vibrant and inclusive community that pushes the technology forward. Generative AI is being used for social good, from generating educational materials for underserved communities to creating tools for disaster response. Nonprofits and humanitarian organizations leverage AI to solve pressing challenges, demonstrating the technology's potential to make a positive impact on society. Generative AI is contributing to environmental protection by modeling climate scenarios, optimizing energy use, and supporting conservation efforts. AI-generated simulations help scientists understand complex systems and develop strategies for sustainability. These applications highlight the role of generative AI in addressing global challenges. In finance, generative AI is used to generate synthetic financial data, detect fraud, and automate trading strategies. Banks and investment firms rely on AI to analyze market trends, assess risks, and make informed decisions. The technology helps improve accuracy, reduce costs, and enhance security in the financial sector. Generative AI is beginning to influence law and policy by automating document review, generating legal drafts, and analyzing case law. Legal professionals use AI to save time, reduce errors, and improve access to justice. Policymakers are also exploring how AI can help draft regulations and assess the impact of new laws. Generative AI is transforming communication by enabling real-time translation, generating personalized messages, and assisting with customer support. Businesses use AI chatbots to handle inquiries, while individuals benefit from tools that help them communicate more effectively across languages and cultures. Generative AI is driving innovation in transportation by optimizing routes, designing autonomous vehicles, and simulating traffic patterns. AI-generated models help improve safety, reduce congestion, and lower emissions. These advancements are paving the way for smarter, more efficient transportation systems. Manufacturers use generative AI to design products, optimize supply chains, and predict maintenance needs. AI-generated prototypes and simulations help companies innovate faster and reduce costs. By automating complex processes, generative AI is making manufacturing more agile and responsive to market demands. In agriculture, generative AI helps optimize crop yields, design efficient irrigation systems, and predict weather patterns. Farmers use AI-generated insights to make better decisions, conserve resources, and increase productivity. These applications are helping to ensure food security and sustainability for future generations. Retailers and e-commerce platforms use generative AI to personalize shopping experiences, generate product recommendations, and optimize inventory management. AI-generated content, such as product descriptions and advertisements, helps attract customers and drive sales. The technology is transforming the way we shop and interact with brands. Generative AI is making waves in real estate by generating property descriptions, predicting market trends, and creating virtual tour. Agents and buyers benefit from AI-powered tools that streamline transactions and provide valuable insights. These innovations are making the real estate process more efficient and transparent. Media organizations use generative AI to automate news writing, generate headlines, and personalize content for readers. AI helps journalists analyze data, identify trends, and produce stories faster. This technology is reshaping the way news is created and consumed, making information more accessible and relevant. Generative AI powers chatbots and virtual assistants that handle customer inquiries, resolve issues, and provide support around the clock. These AI systems can generate personalized responses, improving customer satisfaction and reducing wait times. Businesses benefit from more efficient service and happier customers. Security and surveillance systems use generative AI to detect anomalies, generate synthetic training data, and enhance video analysis. AI helps identify potential threats, monitor environments, and support law enforcement. These applications are making security systems smarter and more proactive. Generative AI is being used in sports and fitness to analyze performance, generate training plans, and simulate game strategies. Coaches and athletes use AI-generated insights to improve skills, prevent injuries, and gain a competitive edge. The technology is helping to push the boundaries of athletic achievement. The future of generative AI is full of promise. As models become more sophisticated and accessible, we can expect even greater creativity, efficiency, and innovation across all sectors. However, realizing this potential will require ongoing attention to ethics, security, and inclusivity. By working together, we can ensure that generative AI continues to benefit society in meaningful ways. In summary, generative AI is a powerful technology that's changing the way we create, work, and live. From art and science to business and daily life, its applications are vast and growing. While challenges remain, the opportunities for positive impact are immense. By understanding what generative AI is and why it matters, we can better prepare for a future shaped by innovation and creativity. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of generative AI.